हु वाज द पॉलिटिकल गुरु ऑफ गोखले? गोखले का पॉलिटिकल गुरु कौन था? इसका आंसर आएगा ग्रेनेड। ठीक है ना। 52 का आंसर। द फर्स्ट इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस consisted of 72 delegates. The first split in Congress occurred in 1907 at the Surat session. Which one of the following was not an extremist leader? फिरोज शाह मेहता, क्योंकि लाला लाजपत राय, बिपिन चंद्र पाल, अरबिंदो घोष ये एक्सट्रीमिस्ट लीडर थे। फिरोज शाह नहीं था। हु फॉर्मेड द गदर पार्टी इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका इन 1913? इसका आएगा वी डे सावरकर। वी डे सावरकर। Who among the following concluded the Treaty of Srirangapatnam with Tipu Sultan? 156 का आएगा A. Hastings. Which of the following was the first proprietary holding of the English in India? Madras. What were calicos? Textile exported from India. Which of the following British strongholds were fortified? Calcutta. The first article in which the English started trading was salt saltpetre. The first Carnatic War ended with Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Which one of the following European wars is associated with the Third Carnatic War? 7 Years' War. The first printing press in India was set up by Portuguese. The first modern arsenal was established at Dindigul. Clio returned to Bengal as its governor in Lord Warren Hastings, who said our island has scarcely produced a man more truly great either in arms or in counsel. Macaulay. After return to British, Robert Clive died in 1774 due to committed suicide. Which of the following did not hold the governorship of Bengal? Macaulay. Lord Dalhousie proposed a railway system for the whole country in 1853. When did the English start draining Bengal of her wealth on a larger scale? 1757. Which one of the following destroyed the peasants' rights over the land cultivated by them? Permanent settlement. Permanent settlement was introduced in Bengal and Bihar in 1793 AD by Cornwallis. 174 का देखते हैं हम। With whom did the British government work out the Ratwari settlement? Zamindars. Who benefited most by under the British? Moneylender. The book History of British India was written by James Mill. Who belongs to Nationalist School of Economic Historians? Nauroji. The Berlin Revolution started by Ranke. Dash dash deal with the history of Indian economy from the Battle of Plassey up to 1900. R.C. Dutt. Who inaugurated the writing of history in a scientific way? Ranke. What has been described by V.S. Smith as the monument of Akbar's folly? Marriage relations. Myth and Reality in Indian History was written by D. D. Kosambi, who was adopted the Marxian approach in the interpretation of Indian history. D. D. Kosambi, who defines communalism as the belief that because a group of people follow a particular religion, they have as a result common social, political, and economic interest. 184 का आएगा बिपिन चंद्रा. Sepoy Mutiny and the Revolt of 1857 was published by R. C. Majumdar. Where was the Panchayat Raj first introduced? Rajasthan. The first English factory in India was established at Surat. Who among the following were the pioneer in opening oceanic trade with India? 188 का आ गया C. Portuguese. 89. Which of the following Congress sessions adopted a resolution on fundamental rights and economic policy? कौन सा था? जो 89 है इसका आंसर है कराची 1930. चार्ल्स ग्रांट वाज ए डैश डैश हिस्टोरियन. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इवेंजेलिकल. हु द फॉलोइंग वाज एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हिस्टोरियन? जी आएगा सी. विलियम हंटर. हु रोट द बुक ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑन स्टेट एंड सोसाइटी? इसका आएगा चार्ल्स ग्रांट. इंडियन एंटिक्विटीज वाज ए वर्क ऑफ डैश डैश. Christian Lesson. The book entitled Indo-Aryans was authored by R. Mitra. K. P. Jaiswal wrote book entitled Hindu Polity. India Today was considered as an authoritative dash dash work. Marxist. The Emergence of Indian Nationalism was written by dash dash Anil Seal. The important Indian subaltern writers are dash dash sub subjugated. The new imperialist historians also known as Cambridge. The Nehru report was finalized in dash dash May 1928. Who brought out a daily called New India? Gandhiji. Which was the shortest session of the Congress? Haripura. Congress leader attended the last session of the Congress 1950. 15. Who who presided over the Banaras session of the Congress? Gokhale. Chandra Shekhar Azad was killed at the dash dash park in Allahabad. Alford. Where did Bhagat Singh first attended the Congress session at Calcutta? Calcutta. The dash dash law were broken at Dandi. Salt. In dash dash 1931, the Congress started a no rent, no tax campaign. December. The Congress condemned the dash dash act as totally disappointing.